Russia, the largest country in the world, a land where ancient history meets vibrant modernity, where majestic cities rise from the snow, and where every corner tells a story, from the iconic Red Square to the stunning Lake Baikal. Russia offers a once-in-a-lifetime travel experience. Stretching across 11 time zones, Russia covers an impressive array of landscapes and cultures. Whether you are a lover of history, art, nature, or adventure, there's something here for everyone. Russia is home to must-see destinations and hidden gems that appeal to all kinds of travelers. Our first stop is Moscow, the capital city and the cultural heart of Russia. Moscow is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks. Red Square, with the colorful domes of St. Basil Cathedral, is often the first image that comes to mind. Nearby, the mighty Kremlin stands tall as the political and historical center of the Russia. The Moscow Metro is renowned for its beautifully designed station, each a unique masterpiece of architecture and design, showcasing Russia's history and artistic achievements. Next, we head northwest to St. Petersburg, often referred to as Russia's cultural capital, founded by Peter the Great in 1703. This city feels more like Europe than Russia, with its elegant canals and neoclassical architecture. The Hermitage Museum is a must-see for art lovers, housing over 3 million works of art, including masterpieces by Da Vinci, Rembrandt, and Michelangelo. Peterhof Palace, with its stunning gardens and fountains, showcases the grandeur of Russian royalty. In summer, St. Petersburg becomes magical during the White Nights Festival, where the sun barely sets, and the city comes alive with cultural celebration, concerts, and open-air events. Russia isn't just about cities. It's also a land of breathtaking natural beauty. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the oldest and deepest freshwater lake in the world, offering crystal clear waters and stunning surroundings. It's a destination for nature lovers, ideal for hiking, ice driving, and exploring unique ecosystems. For adventure seekers, the Trans-Siberian Railway offers an epic journey across the entire country, from Moscow to Vladivostok. Along the way, travelers witness diverse landscapes, from dense forests to snow-capped mountains, offering a one-of-a-kind experience across Russian terrain. Beyond the famous landmark, Russia is full of hidden gems. The Golden Ring, a series of medieval towns, provide a window into traditional Russian life, featuring beautiful churches, rural landscape, and authentic local customs. Kazan, the capital of Tatarstan, offers a unique blend of Russian and Islamic culture, with stunning mosques, a vibrant local food, and fascinating history. In Kazan, the blending of cultures is apparent in its architecture, cuisine, and festivals. A visit to a traditional Russian banya or steam bath is another quintessential experience. After a day of exploration is a perfect way to relax and immerse yourself in Russian custom. For those looking to savor authentic cuisine, market offers a chance to try regional delicacies like blini, caviar, and piroski. Before visiting Russia, it's helpful to know a few practical travel tips. English is spoken in many tourist areas, but learning a few basic Russian phrases can go a long way in making your experience smoother. The local currency is the Russian ruble, and most places accept credit cards, though it's a good idea to have some cash on hand. Russia has well-developed transport network, including metros, buses, and trains. For traveling between cities, domestic flights and long-distance trains both are reliable options. It's also recommended to plan ahead if you wish to visit more remote regions or national parks. Russia offers something unique in every season. Winter brings snow-covered landscape, ice skating, and cozy holiday markets, while summer opens up opportunities for festival, outdoor adventures, and late-night stroll in the warmth of the white nights. The best time to visit depends on your interest, whether it's exploring Russian history and culture in the cities or embarking on a nature-filled adventure in the wilderness. Russia, with its vast diversity and rich heritage, is a destination that leaves a lasting impression on every traveler. When will you begin your journey to this incredible country? Thank you.